Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the 3DPass token. Ticker symbol is P3D. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting October 31st. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, technically, this is a coin. It's not a token. Runs on its own blockchain here. They have their own scan, their block explorer. 3DPscan.io is where you could find that. Now, there is a total supply of 1 billion P3D coins. Layer 1 blockchain proof of scan is a revolutionary protocol preventing digital assets from being copied. Recognition-based algorithm Grid 2D deterministic blockchain finality. The 3DPass coin is mineable. 3DPRC-2 tokenization standard. Decentralized governance. Forkless upgrade. On-chain identity and smart contracts. So, this coin here is being listed October 31st. At 14 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this coin here and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search P3D, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So you can find their webpage at 3dpass.org. They also have a Telegram that you could join. That is at Pass3D, and they have 874 members so far. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen over there at 3DPass_official, 1,768 followers on there, 133 posts, and you can find their webpage linked on their Twitter there as well. It says the Ledger of Things is an open source layer 1 decentralized blockchain platform for the tokenization of objects, proof of scan protocol. They have a very lengthy white paper that you could check out that's linked on their webpage with super tiny print, 32 pages long, super tiny print. You could read that for, a couple hours if you want to. We're not going to go over that today. We're just going to go over the main points here. So it says, transform the world, layer 1 blockchain platform for the tokenization of objects. It's the 3D PRC-2 standard. It's got a Web3 wallet, a mobile wallet, and smart contracts, and you can click on all of those, and it's going to take you somewhere. Same with the 3DPass coin. You can read all about that. Join the mainnet. Click on community, features, and yeah, so the coin here, it'll take you over to a white paper, which also has a roadmap on there. A very lengthy roadmap as well, all the way back to 2021 to 2023. So tons of info on their white paper. Looks like a couple different papers on here. So the layer 1 blockchain proof of scan is a revolutionary protocol preventing digital assets from being copied. Recognition-based algorithm Grid 2D deterministic blockchain finality 3DPass coin Now, it's open source. It says, follow our GitHub, make reviews, and contribute. Your help is always welcome. Join our community, stay up to date, discuss features, add to development, manage your assets easily with the mobile wallet, control your keys and transfers, turn your objects into digital assets. First, create the hash ID out of any object. Recognize your object wherever you are. Use it as a thing or password. Leverage it with smart contracts and dApps. Enjoy biometrics and multi-object options. So it's 3DPass for industries, non-fungible tokens, in insurance, banking, and e-commerce. So 3DPass opens the gateway for cryptocurrency markets to potentially trillions in deals, making all over the globe. You can now transform your real and virtual objects into recognizable digital assets and leverage them with useful smart contracts and dApps, having full control over the copies. The recognition of the object shape combined with its additional properties, size, weight, density, clarity, owner's biometric data, etc., allows you to produce this unique, sustainable digital identity called a hash ID, which makes 3DPass revolutionary and different to any existential blockchain. Because of our proof of scan decentralized protocol, we're providing the object authentication. You can use the object as an NFT or mint some private backed currency of a unit of which you would be a quantum. 1 token equals 1 gram, kilogram, square meter, etc. And there's more use cases on that as well. So there's also digital identity, recoverable crypto wallets, and 2FA. So 3DPass allows for anyone to use 3D objects as a seed data for the password or key creation in combination with the owner's biometric data or some additional properties. The multi-object hash ID provides zero-knowledge proof of the object's authenticity and eventually can be recovered by means of scanning. And lastly, we got metaverse, gaming, added reality, IoT, robotics, and AI. So as you can see, there's tons of use cases here. Now, there's the latest news articles you could check out as well. Now, besides this being listed on a huge central exchange with 6 million users, MEXC Global, it is listed on XEGGEX as well. You can find it on CoinGecko, CoinPaprika, LiveCoin Watch, and CoinCodex. It's also on Bitcoin Talk. They have a Medium article. They have all sorts of stuff there. Now, the roadmap, very lengthy if you want to check that out. So P3D is the ticker symbol. Network name is the Ledger of Things. It's on its own blockchain, layer 1. And the coin's name is the 3DPass coin. Coin decimals is 12 decimal places. Block time is 60 seconds. Total supply 1 billion. Grandpa session lengths 30 blocks. It goes through the whole thing here. Mobile wallet can be on Android or iOS. But check all this out at 3dpass.org, and you can find this coin newly listed on MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.